National Championships kicks off tomorrow, December 14, run through to the 21st. Mr. Sanguinetti can give a little more details, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview that by all accounts, this is looking to be probably the biggest tennis event that we've had locally, I don't know, in recent memory or maybe even longer. We have over 120 junior entries. We have over 100 amateur entries. We have a full draw in terms of the men's pro event. It's certainly looking to be an exceptional tournament.
The 18s are roughly a 32 draw. The 16s are 32 draw. The 14s, 16, and in the ladies, those are for the boys, and in the ladies, there are like 16 draws pretty much throughout all the events. So all in all, the numbers are just absolutely fantastic, and we haven't seen numbers like this in the juniors in some time. In the men's, the Open, everyone, with the exception of Blaze, who had a protective ranking, so he cannot play, and John Chin, who had a medical condition, so he will be absent from the event. But aside from that, just to name a few players, we have Randy Phillips and Dwayne Pagan, Keandre Clark, Damian Johnson, Daniel Azar, Nicholas Gore, David Goldsmith, just to name a few. We're not in any order, but these are some of the players that will be participating, and we're looking for a tremendous event there. It will be a 32 draw for the men's open as well. The tournament kicks off on Saturday with the juniors starting at 9 o'clock. They will play up until about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and beginning on Sunday. So their tournament will run through Tuesday, Wednesday, which is like the 17th, 18th of next week. So they will play during the day, starting at 9 o'clock, and then the amateurs will play at in the evening, perhaps starting at around 5 o'clock, late afternoon, and go up until about 11. So we're looking for a wonderful event. The stage is set. The players are ready. They're all excited. We have a good representation from out throughout the island with the juniors. So I'm asking everyone to come out and support. And it should be just a wonderful way to go into Christmas.